It's no secret. The world is an imperfect place, but it's the only world we know, where we share our loves, our lives, our joys, our experiences, our journeys, our thrills. This is where we call our home, where we find our peace. Therefore, we must care for our planet, nurture our environment, and know what's going on with the world. Welcome to Worldwide Wednesday. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Lana. You're now tuned into Living Lana. And please take the time to subscribe, hit the like button, and of course, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you know when I'm uploading all the great new content. So let's jump right into the video, you guys. Unfortunately, the good people of Hawaii have been experiencing severe earthquake shakes and volcanic eruption for the past week. The good people of Kalawea, Hawaii are experiencing the worst of the climate change right now. They are still experiencing the aftershocks of the earthquake shakes that they had this week. And it's not looking too good, you guys. I think we should really keep them in our prayers. If you have any friends or family that live in Hawaii, make sure you check on them because right now things are looking pretty ugly over there. And this is the second time in 2 years that volcano erupts. Scientists also say that that's due to climate change and that the gap for climate change is closing in as we speak. It's now between 2027 and 2042 that climate analysts now predict that between 2027 and 2042, we will be undergoing the hottest temperatures yet. So you guys, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not looking forward to that. So let's do all we can, you guys, to ensure that we are doing our best and doing our part in climate change. Scientists are also trying to genetically modify trees. I don't agree with this, but I know that they're trying everything in their power to, battle to combat climate change. And I understand that, they're desperate, but I don't agree with genetically modifying trees. Now, you guys remember back in my other Worldwide Wednesday, I had mentioned amoeba, the brain-eating amoeba. Now, also due to climate change, scientists are now saying that it's heading north. This originated in the South, in Florida to be exact. Now, due to climate change, the brain-eating amoeba is now heading north towards New York City, towards Massachusetts, towards Pennsylvania, and all the other states of the north. So you guys, it's something to keep in mind and something to also watch out for. Now, while you're keeping your eye on amoeba, also look into Shigella. Shigella is an intestinal infection, also brand new. It's like we don't catch a break in 2020. Coronavirus, amoeba, now Shigella, all these new forms of infections and diseases. It's like, it's really scary, you guys. And I have to quote the good book, they said that, in the last days there would be famine and disease, and I can't help but think that this is what we're experiencing right now. This is what we're seeing right now, climate change, the extreme famine, meat, we're actually in a shortage of meat as we speak, even here in the USA. So, it's really scary. But we are now seeing way more types of diseases and infections. Now, for all the moms out there and the moms to be, please be very cautious. Microplastics have been found in placentas of pregnant women for the very first time. This has just been reported from Europe. Now, from what I understand, I was reading into this, and I think this is actually because of makeup. For women who are makeup users, please be mindful of when sometimes makeup tends to seep in through your mucous membrane, which will be through your eyes, You can inhale it or even makeup through your teeth. The chemicals in the makeup that is actually what they refer to as microplastics. So that can be very harmful now from what I'm seeing, because it's saying that the children can actually, their genes and their DNA can be it's really strange, but it's like they can be intertwined, so they'll be half plastic and half look it up. I just report to you what I find, but you guys look into it and do your own research on it. But from what I saw, the plastic cells can mix in with the human cells while it's making the baby, and the baby can be half plastic. It's really insane. Having both human cells and artificial cells. So I don't see that being very ideal. I really don't. Now, I know America is experiencing a food shortage, and especially in meat, but this is extreme. Pythons could be served in restaurants in Florida if tests reveal that they are safe to eat. Are they insane? Like, seriously, are they really considering this? Have they not learned from COVID? Last time I checked, didn't COVID derive from consumption of exotic animals that shouldn't be consumed? I mean, that's what I understood. So why are we still implementing this, especially here in the US? Like, this is just nonsense. And then they want to cry wolf. Like, spare me. I don't think I'll be eating snakes anytime soon. I'll leave that to you southern fucks. Now, McDonald's just released their weirdest fucking burger. Are you guys ready for this? I mean, I hope you already ate, because this is quite nauseating. It's Spam. It's Spam and Oreo cookie crumbles. Yes. Spam, canned Spam, and Oreo cookie crumbles and mayonnaise. Now, I don't know who thought of this bright idea to make this combination, this mixture. I don't know who thought of this concoction, but ew. Right salary, McDonald's, you guys can hire me as your new creative director. You know, I assure you that what I have in store would be more appealing to the public. This is the quiet before the storm. Thanks for watching. All of my social medias are right here up on the screen, you guys. Be sure to have your notifications on so you are notified on all of my uploads. Please, everybody, stay safe and see you next time on Worldwide Wednesday.